Good morning, dears. Today we are going to learn a grammar part, that is chapter 12, comparisons. Okay, what is comparison? Yes, we already know comparison means comparing two things or more than two things. Okay, here which one we are comparing? Let us see now. We already learnt about adjectives in our previous class, isn't it? So, what is the use of adjective to describe a noun? Yes, adjectives are not only used to describe a noun but also used to compare nouns. Okay, it is also used to compare nouns. Okay, when we compare any two persons, things or animals, we use ER form of the adjective. What form? Is ER form of the adjective. That means we add ER with the adjective. Look at the example. Sheila is taller than Leela. Here we compared whom with whom? Yes, we compared Sheila with Leela. Here which one is the adjective? Yes, very good. Taller is the adjective. The simple form of the word taller is tall. While using comparison, we have added ER with that tall. So, the word is taller. And then we also add than, the word than after the ER form of the adjective. Here we have added taller than. So, that word than comes immediately after the word taller, that means after the adjective. If suppose the adjective word is too long, that means the adjective word is big, we can't add ER with that. For those things, what we can do? Yes, we add more, the word more before the adjective word. Not after, before the adjective, we'll add more to make it as comparison. Look at the example. Sheila is more beautiful than Leela. Here, beautiful, we can't say beautifuler. So, for that, we have added more beautiful. Okay. This method is used to compare only two things. Okay, when we compare more than two things, what we can do? Yes, we'll have another form. When we compare more than two persons, things or animals, we use EST form of the adjective. What form? EST form of the adjective. That means we'll add EST with the adjective word. Look at the example. Sheila is the tallest girl in her class. Yes, dears? Here, which one is the adjective? Yes, tallest is the adjective word. So, tall is an adjective word. We have added EST to compare her with the total number of her class. So, among all the children in her class, who is very who is very tallest? Yes, Sheila is the tallest girl in her class. We also added the word the before the EST form of the adjective, so that we can make it as comparison between more than two things. Like the previous one, the same. If the adjective word is too long or too big, we can't add EST with that. For such things, we add most. What word? We add most before the adjective. Look at the example. Sheila is the most beautiful girl in her class. In this sentence, which one is the adjective? Beautiful is the adjective. We can't say beautifulest. For that, we have added most and we have added the before the adjective. Yes, dears, that's all. If no comparison is made, we just write the adjective word as it is. If the comparison is made between two things, we add er or more and then than with the adjective. If the comparison is made about more than two things, we add est or most and the with the adjective. Look at the example, dears. Rosie is a smart girl. Here, smart is the adjective word and here no comparison is made. So, we have just written the adjective as it is. Look at the second one. Rosie is smarter than Varun. Here, we have compared Rosie with Varun. So, we have added er with the adjective and then we have added than. So, the sentence is Rosie is smarter than Varun. Look at the third one. Rosie is the smartest girl. Here we have compared Rosie with all the girls. So, we have added est with the adjective and we have added the before the adjective. So, the sentence will be Rosie is the smartest girl. Yes, dears, that's all about comparisons. Hope you all understand how to compare two things and more than two things. Thank you, dears.